Hello everyone, welcome again to this video. In today's video, I'm going to be making pounded yam without pounding. So I hope you be with me in this video. And I'm going to be making it in two ways. So let's get started. So let's start by peeling our yam. First thing first, because we are going to be doing it in two ways, I'm going to be dividing this yam in two portions. So we'll be using maybe one for one part and another for another part. Going to be putting the yam in this bowls, like I divided it into two parts. So and I'm going to be pouring water on it so it doesn't change color. That's the essence of adding water to it before, so that before I'm done it will not change color. That's it. So So right now, let's go for the second one by peeling off the back as well and soaking it in the water. I'm done peeling off the back of the yam, and I'm going to be cooking the first option. The first option is that you cook it as it is before blending. I'm going for the first option now by cooking the yam for some minutes. So I'm washing in the yam into the pot. So right now I'm covering the pot and leaving it to cook, but as we are cooking this, I'm using the opportunity to blend the other option, the second one. So I'm going to be blending the other one fresh and cooking this one. So this one already is cooking and I'll be cooking it at the same time, blending it. So right now that was why I chopped the yam into smaller pieces. So now I'm adding in the yam that I chopped. You can see a bit small pieces. I chopped it in it. So the reason of this I've explained before, but the point exactly is that you are not going to pour all the yam once in the blender, so the blender will blend it very well for you, because if you pour it much, it won't blend it like you desire. It won't blend it well. So I added the amount of water so it can be able to blend it very well. You can see, I think the water is maybe too much, I don't know, but I did it so it can blend it for me. I don't want to have lumps. That's the essence, that's the reason. So I'm going to be blending. You can see I am blending at the same time cooking the other one, looking at the other one, so I'm blending it. As you can see, as I'm blending it, I still do check for lumps, because if you don't do it well, there will be lumps and you will not like it when you are cooking it. So that's why I used spoon to, to check if there are lumps in it, so I can, if it is to reblend, I will reblend. So but now I'm done. I'm pouring everything into the pot. You can see how huge it is, but because of the water that I use. So we are going to be, the method of this one is a different one, but I'll be explaining later. So right now I am adding in the cooked one into the blender as well. It's already cooked, and I'm adding everything because this one is already cooked, so the blender can do the work very well. So I'm adding everything to it so it will blend, and that's the process of this one: cook then blend before the second option. So right now I'm done blending the first one. That's this one. You can see how beautiful and how fluffy it is. I'm bringing it out so you can see how soft, like how it is. This is like, it will go so smooth in your throat as you enjoy it. So this is the first option. At least you see how the first option is: you cook first before you blend. So I'm going to be bringing out this into the plate. Just bring it out from the blender, and we move over to the second option, and that is the one we blended fresh before now cooking it. So this one needs a lot of stirring, and because if you don't stir, we need to cook this, like, let the water dry off, the water that we use in blending it. You can see how huge, how almost the full of the pot. So we need the water to reduce, and before it will even cook. I know it's cooking on the process, but we need the water off. So that is it. We keep stirring it until we get the desired how it's supposed to be. So let's stir and see how this option goes. So right away you can see how it's becoming, at least the water is now drying off. This is at least better. So we are going to do it to make sure that the whole water dries up, and you can see, in fact, I'm tired already. I'm tired already. I'm going to be adding some water just to end the whole thing. Just now that I added the water, I'm going to cover it to cook for like let's say 2 minutes, and then I'm tired, like seriously. So it's ready. Let me turn it, because another thing is, like, if you don't stir continuously, it will keep burning. That's the thing. That's why, in fact, the whole thing, I'm tired. So I'm stirring it, and I think it's ready like this. For me, it's ready. It's ready because I was waiting. It didn't look like the way I expected it. That was why I was even doing it for this long. I was expecting it to look like the way I want, but the more I do, the more it's changing color, and I would not like to eat something that is fresh, or maybe that did not cook well. So this is how it has become. So I'm going to be putting it into the plate, with a transparent bag to help it, like, bring things together. So I'm transferring it into the plate, and then I don't know about you, but I'm tired of this whole thing, like this kind of this second option. I don't know, but let's continue saying it and see how it goes. So right now I'm going to be removing the remaining from the spatula, and fold it together. That's it. Now I'm done with it. So compare both. The other one, second option, I do not like. The first one, yes. So I do not like this. I'll tell you why I do not like this method. This method is the best. Watch it. Watch it. Very fluffy. This one, very fluffy, but it consumes my energy, my electricity, my time. Like, it consumes all these things. The second option, that is the one I blended fresh before cooking, is a no-no for me. I'm sorry, this is my opinion. The one I cooked first before blending is the best. Like seriously, guys, the best. I do not like the second option. You can see there are so many disadvantages. Watch it, the two colors are not the same. The same yarn. It took time. It took energy. It took my own. It took electricity as well. I stayed for almost 1 hour just staring. In that 1 hour, I'm consuming the electricity I'm using to cook. Not to talk of the blending aspects. You see the reason why I chose to do this 2 times. I want to be actually sure which one works best. Actually, I've done the other one before, but I've not done this one. I said, let me give it a try. Let's see how it goes. But I've not shown it in this channel. So the point here is this. I do not like the second option. I'm sorry. This is
me, especially my type who does like to stress me, drawing this, like, for how long? More than 45 minutes. Just staring, continuous staring. And yes, the color changed. That's the annoying part. It's no longer like the same yam I cooked. And I just blended it. This one just took me 2 minutes, apart from cooking. Just 2 minutes in blending it, and it's ready. Guys, please, tell me your own, the best, the one you prefer among those two. Because for me, this is my own. Let me know your opinion in the comment section, and I'll be grateful to hear from you. I don't know. This is like, guys, this is the way I see. I don't like the second option. Like, I will not try it next time. I'm sorry, but I will not try it next time. This second option, I'm not doing it. Like, I'm off. I'm off on it. Wasting my time, wasting my energy, the strength with person, the strength that I didn't even have. I'm spending it on staring, continuous staring. No, we need sharp things like. Let me know what you think in the comment section. And if you have watched this level and you have not given me the like button, please, I recommend you give me the like button because it helps me to promote this video to others. So thank you for staying to the end of this video, and see you on my next video. Bye bye.